Stock option trading. Why stock markets did not drop even after President Trump's tariff threat? And there is one stock that's jumped over 16% in one day. So this could be going up more. So I want to give that to you as a present at the end of the video. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. My new portfolio started with a few 10,000. Now it's already over 133,000. It took me about 1 or 2 years. So 50% year to date with this 6 months. So it's pretty good. Can everybody get it? Yes. Would everybody get it? No. Only those who persevere and who has a psychology of successful stock investor and option trader can succeed. So Trump intensified trade war with threat, 30% threat on EU and Mexico. And EU also wants countermeasure, right? This happens over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So everybody thought, oh, you know what, S&P 500 could be going down. It did not go down. So only very few people knew that it's not going to go down, including me. I knew that it's not going to go down. And Nasdaq 0.76%. It's even up over the past 5 days. Dow Jones, yeah, barely went down a little bit, 0.69%. So why did it not go down? One, most people are expecting something's going to happen to the stock market. It's not going to happen, okay? Stock market is a reverse psychology, you know? It's like you are trying to get a girl, right? If every man does, if you do what every man is doing, you're not gonna get the girl. But if you do something different, you are most likely gonna get the girl. Similarly, in stock markets, you have to think opposite because everybody is expecting, right? It's already priced in the stock market, and it did not go down. And another thing is, most President Trump may not follow through. Okay, his words. Yeah, he said 30%. He already postponed until August 1st. And nobody wants to suffer the same pain as in April again. So that's why stock market did not go down, right? Today it went down, S&P 500. Nasdaq, it went up. Oh, this is a miss. And Dow Jones, it went down. So why did it get a miss reaction? Right, that would be interesting. So if you want to learn more about stock investing, stock market, option trading, subscribe this channel. Look at it. Fast inflation fears start to be realized with June CPI increase. So June CPI increase, oh, everybody start to think, oh, you know what, tariff effect is starting to show again, right? When you impose tariff on your products, you are basically charging your own American consumer. So it's going to increase the price of the goods. Businesses, they may eat some of the cost, but over the long run, they could not eat. They may gradually increase the price. So that's why we are starting to see CPI increase. So that's why S&P 500 went down, Dow Jones went down, but Nasdaq went up. Why? Because of Nvidia jumped 4.04%. Why? Because Nvidia to resume H20 GPU sales to China after ban lifted. Yeah, so that's good news. So that's why it went up. From year to date, you see the bottom was around $94. So it jumped over 70% from the bottom. Year to date is up 22.42%. Very, very good. Very, very good, right? There's another stock for day trading that's also jumped a lot. It's MBTC. I found this, I looked for it before the stock market opened. I sent out alert to my Patreon member. It was below $20. So I sent out the breakout. Breakout means if a stock goes up above that level, it's gonna continue to go up for the rest of the day. Most likely, okay? It's not 100%, but it's I would say more than 80%, 90% chance that it's gonna continue to go up. And let's see what happened. So 90.12, look at this. It jumped, it hit 22.64. 16.46% gain from 19.44 at the open. Okay, at the open. So definitely, look at this, 22.64. So TEMC, Ramaco Resources. So Ramaco Resources. So it could go up more in the next few days, depending on how it opens. So for 16.46% gain is 6.5%. Will it repeat? Not sure. You see, today since my alert, it has been going up. It was going up all the way. Look at this. Over the past 5 days, it's up 16.23%. Some of the stocks have momentum, so that's why I like to trade momentum stock. Okay, when it gets momentum, it could go up, even though it's up over 92% 1 month, 6 months 132.60%. Doesn't matter. It has momentum. Year to date 104.86. 1 year, 5 year. It's 5-year high. Look at 5-year high. Okay, so that's really good. So we're gonna look at maxima. Let's look at maxima. It's also maxima high, right? I usually say before you invest in stock, you need to look at 5 criteria. Does it beat S&P 500? Do I care? In this case, no, right? I don't care about at all. And has it been in a business for at least 10 years? Do I care? No. And has it been public company for at least 5 years? Do I care? No. Do I like this business? I don't even know what they do. Okay, I don't need to know because I look at the technical and it breaks out. I definitely knew that if it's above $20 and above, it's gonna break out. So I send out alert to my patrons, and it's old. You see, it's after hours. It's even up. So I want to give this to you as a present, okay, to my audience. Congratulations if you already got profits. Congratulations to my patron. So as you are my audience, you can keep this in your watch list, okay? What are you going to do is tomorrow when it opens, see if it opens $22 and above, okay? Because today they close at 21.94. If it opens 22 and above, it's where it's likely to go up more. What the breakout, there is a daily breakout, okay, daily breakout and weekly breakout, monthly breakout. So that $20 is already weekly and monthly breakout. So tomorrow it could also have another breakout. So if it's up, it's most likely gonna go up. So you can go in, set the cut loss price, try to gain probably 2%, and you probably can lose 1%, whatever. Usually when I send out alert, my day trading movement stock usually goes up at least 10% up, with the confidence level about 80 to 90%. Most likely, if it breaks out, most likely 80 to 90% is gonna keep going up. So that's very useful. So keep this, okay? This is not a stock for investing, okay? This is just for trading. So you either at the end of the day you can trade for like 1 to 2 hours. You either take profit or cut loss, okay? I really prefer not to swing trade, okay? Not to carry over the next day because nobody knows what could happen in the next day. So I prefer to get in, get out on the same day. So day trading is just like one night stand. As long as there are signs that the girls really like me and she's not crazy, then you know what? It's good to have one night stand. The same way stock trading. Hey, it has all the signs that I want. I don't care what it does. I don't care fundamental analysis, And if there are more signs of going up, the breakout, I'm just gonna trade. So that's the difference between stock investing and stock trading. If you know option, you can look up this stock an option. If it has option, rather than just buying one share, if you buy one share, you probably need to pay 22,200, 2,200. Or if they have liquid options, you can possibly pay only a few hundreds, 200, 300. Then you gain exposure similar to only 100 shares. If you have any question, comment down below. Go to Master with Stock Option Crypto, subscribe, check out my playlist for stock investing, stock trading, option trading, and advanced option trading. If you want to reach out to me, you can click the link down below in the YouTube description, comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.